everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to do a beach pour, but I'm gonna do something a little bit different with it. Just make sure I still got it level here. I'm trying to get my cups underneath. This is a 16-inch round from Hobby Lobby. And the colors that I'm going to use today, so I have some sand that I got from Michael's. It's from the glass fillers department section. The colors I'm going to use, I'm going to use Eyecandy's Noken Blue. Eyecandy's Azora Blue. I'm terrible at these names. And then Eyecandy's, I can't even pronounce it, OKINOAWA Blue. So these are three blues that I'm going to use, so it'll be this way. But I'm going to add a little bit of something in here, in the Purple Garden. So I'm going to put that in there just to kind of spice it up a little bit. I think this is beautiful. I'm going to show you. The Noken Blue. This is one of my favorite blues. Such a beautiful color. I hope you can see that. Just such a deep, rich, beautiful color. Love it. And then the, let's see, Azora Blue. Oh, I don't know. I'll put it all in the description. This is a really pretty lighter blue, just a little bit lighter shade. And then the one that I definitely can't pronounce, it's kind of more like a turquoisey blue. This is a really pretty color. I've used this on a few beach pours and it's just gorgeous. And then the purple, Purple Garden. Look at that, how pretty that is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to put that between my two darker blues. I'm using white, the Eyecandy's paste. It's all painted on here. Satora white, but it's a paste. I always use this one for my waves. Just gives it that deep, real rich, pigmented white. Then I'm going to do a little something in my sand. I have mixed up, this is Eyecandy's Galactic Ghost Blue, and it's one of their shimmers. So I added a little bit of that into my clear just to kind of give my beach a little sparkle. I have some shells from San Diego that I'm going to use. And then I got these from, I think, the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. But look at how pretty those are. So I'm going to add some of those in here too, because I think they're just gorgeous. All right, so let me get a glove here. And I'm going to start off with my darker blue. And then the purple. And this time I'm going to do something a little different too. I'm not going to put my sand down quite yet. I'm going to wait till I get this all spread out. I've done it before where I've done it where I did, I always do my sand first, but then I have an issue with the white coming out, the clear coming out from underneath the sand, so I just thought maybe I would give it a try this way, just to kind of see, experiment a little bit. Who knows, this may not be the best way to do it either, but we'll see. I do have my canvas all taped up underneath the bottom there too. Let's see, I don't know if I want to take this off yet. Hopefully this isn't going to be... Oh, that's the wrong one. Ah! Shoot, that was my paste. Oh, we'll fix that. We'll just add some waves there. Gosh. I don't think that's going to work. Alright, let me get my heat gun. Oops, it's on the other side here. Then I need my... When I do my beach pours, I like to have this small attachment on my heat gun. It just helps me with my waves better.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't ask me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
I'm gonna bring you down for a close up. I just have to show you. Look at her. Look at her. In her pretty little sparkly dress. All right. I think that purple is just perfect. It's not too much, but it's kind of fun. And look at the cool lacing that I get. I love Eyecandy pigments and pastes, I tell you. I'm affiliated with them, so I do have a link in the description if you're interested in getting any. There's a 10% off code in there as well. It's AmysCreative. Yeah. But get you 10% off their colors. They have so many pretty ones. I wish. Can you see the sparkle in the sand? So pretty. Their colors, though, are just gorgeous. Sorry about that light there. You guys have to tell me what you think. Something a little bit different than what I normally do with my beach pours. Just something fun. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you will like and subscribe and share and comment. It helps my channel out tremendously. I do appreciate you guys watching and your support. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. Just healthy and in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.